Time management. Effective time management is essential for achieving our goals. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to allocate time effectively in order to maximize productivity and achieve desired goals. It is a skill that is essential for success in both personal and professional life. Effective time management helps individuals to prioritize their tasks, minimize wasted time, and stay focused on what is important. Managing time effectively involves setting goals, prioritizing tasks, and creating a schedule that allows for both work and leisure time. It requires discipline and the ability to make difficult choices about how to spend one's time. By allocating time wisely, individuals can avoid procrastination and work towards achieving their goals in a timely manner. In today's fast-paced world, time management has become even more important. With so many distractions and competing demands, it can be easy to lose sight of our goals and become overwhelmed. However, by mastering the art of time management, we can take control of our lives and achieve the success we desire. So, if you want to be successful, start by managing your time effectively. One of the key elements of effective time management is the ability to prioritize tasks. This means identifying which tasks are the most important and urgent, and completing them first. It also means being willing to say no to tasks that are not essential or can be delegated to others. Another important aspect of time management is creating a schedule that allows for both work and leisure time. It is important to take breaks and engage in activities that help to recharge and refocus the mind. This can include exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Finally, it is important to remember that time management is not about working harder or longer hours. It is about working smarter and using time in the most effective way possible. By doing so, individuals can achieve their goals while also maintaining a healthy work-life balance.